Excellent.
No. And 2 days ago, I played like 4 hours of basketball.
Oh, how did it go?
Yeah, it went very well, but I can't say I wasn't like beat by the end of it.
Well, 4 hours of basketball for
Yeah,
anybody, it's gonna be
yeah,
tiring. Yeah.
yeah. Because at first I just went like I was putting shots up, whatever. Played a couple games, and then actual runs started happening, and then we just weren't losing. So I mean, we just had to kind of stayed.
Mhm.
And even
Okay.
after I lost, I got picked up again. So it was like another game under the belt. It ended up totaling to like probably like 7 games, 8 games. It was insane.
Right. Right. Good. So how's your body after?
Okay, so yesterday I took a rest day because of that. Like the first probably ever in the last weeks since I started.
Hmm.
Um, other than that, I feel pretty okay.
Did you feel the glutes sore after?
That's what I was gonna say. Like my glutes, hamstrings, like everything have been like insanely sore lately. Just like doing like things I would be normally doing.
Yes,
You get what I'm saying, kind of.
I know.
The normal exercises I normally do are making those muscles sore, even though they previously wouldn't.
Right. That's very interesting about the body, right?
Yeah,
Like you would play basketball, you'd run around, but you never feel your glutes and hamstring getting a workout.
yeah, exactly.
But
And like the thing is too,
nowadays,
like even my bad, even when I'm like doing those workouts, I don't really like I feel it, like my glutes and hamstrings activated, but like they don't feel tired. You get me? I only feel it kind of like after the fact when I go home and like the next day over. I'm like,
right,
why are my glutes sore?
right, right. I mean, that's how the body's supposed to build. That's how
Yeah,
elite level athlete build their body. It's through
yeah,
movement. It's through movement.